Assalamualaikum. My name is Abdullah Fajar and I have two YouTube channels, Abdullah.123 and ABK Gaming. On Abdullah.123 I make videos of making inventions or repairing stuff, and on ABK Gaming I play games. Well, BAAGHI TV has given me a platform to make and upload my videos. As my passion is cars, I will be making videos about them. And please go down in the comment section and tell me what kind of cars do you want me to make the video about next. For example, do you want me to tell you about more about the 1900s car, the 2000s car, or the future cars? So today I'm going to be telling you about a Volkswagen 181, also known as the Volkswagen Thing. This car is a two-wheel drive, four-door convertible manufactured and marketed by Volkswagen. It was made from 1968 to 1983. It was originally developed for the West German Army. Only 90,883 were built of these cars, and it is a military vehicle. It is a four-door rear engine, 1.5 or 1.6 liter. The transmission is a 4-speed manual and the wheelbase is 94.5 inches. The length of this car is 148.8 inches. The width of this car is 64.6 inches. And the height of this car is 63.8 inches, and the weight of the curb is 910 kg. So this car was actually made for this, not made for the civilians, as I have told you. So military 181 attended a higher ride height and a lower efficient gearing by using reduction boxes, a form of border access. 181s without reduction boxes featured a transmission similar to a Beetle but with a slower gearing by use of different ring and pinion gears, and have stronger and more flexible CV axles. Most mechanical parts are incomparable of those of the other Volkswagen models. Original dual oil bath air cleaner increased filtering and ability in dust environments, and low noise ignition systems were fitted into the military cars to be used as radio communication. The engine is a 4-cylinder rear-mounted petrol engine. So this car is a convertible. The roof can be put up by only 4 latches. You have to buckle up. This car has absolutely no security because traction control, ABS, all of that stuff, airbags are not in this car. The windscreen of this car folds down, as most of you might know it, and the doors of this car are actually these are very light, and the Porsche 911 was trying to make those light doors. So you can put either the windows will be on the car, either not. There is no feature in this car that the windows will go down or come up back manually or automatically by a motor. If you want the whole window down, you'll just pull the window up and it will come out. And if you want just a little bit, there is a little flap made in the window which you can open and to get some air inside. So when you put the windscreen down, the first thing that comes in your line of vision is the wiper motor. So the most interesting thing about the Volkswagen Thing is that there is only one wiper motor and it powers only one wiper, but there are two wipers, and there is a rod connecting from one wiper to the other wiper, and one wiper is just along for the ride. So in the passenger side, there are two things. The first is a grab handle, and the second is a hood release. So as I'm talking about the hood, I'll tell you, in the hood it is written that this car is a 91 octane vehicle, and it has a little bit storage and a spare tire in there. Just as most of the Volkswagen vehicles used to be in the older days, for example, the Volkswagen Beetle, in the hood there was always or sometimes a spare tire and a little bit of storage. The same thing is in the Volkswagen thing. This car did not work well for the civilians, but it was good for what it was made, because it was made for the military, and this car model years for the military were more than the model years for the civilians. The best color I like the Volkswagen thing in is orange. It looks very bright and eye-catching in orange color. Not many of these you can see on the roads today, and also really less of them are for sale right now, as most of them are in the scrapyard, because this is an old car I'm talking about. So this car, I'm talking about the civilian model. The car has round headlights and round tail lights and round rims with no slot in them. Uh, the only feature is in this thing, I don't know what. I think there is a radio in it. I don't know about that. But I know that there was a radio for communication in the military version. This car did not come much in for the civilians. I would like to see one personally with my eye, because I just want to see them. Thank you. Please subscribe this channel and my YouTube channel.